Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable collapsing if read in the conversation and what it does in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So let's say you have a conversation with someone, then you reply to it, then someone is going to send a reply to your reply, and so on and so on. So, from the start, this feature is on from the factory settings, that the read emails are going to be collapsed, so you need to open them, you need to open those emails to read it. So, for example, this one, as you can see, it is collapsed because I have read it, so it was collapsed. Let me go back. As you can see, can I collapse it right now? I cannot. Okay, now it is collapsed because I have read it, so it is collapsed. But you can turn off this feature by going to the settings, then swiping down, then to the mail, and then going back, and you have this option in threading collapse read messages. So if you're going to read a message, it is going to be shown the next time that you're going to this conversation. Every message above the last one, so the latest one, is going to be collapsed if you have this feature on. If you turn off this feature, all emails are going to be opened and you are going to be able to see the whole list of opened emails in a specific conversation with some contact. So now this feature is off, now this on, the collapsing. So now you are going to get collapsed messages, now everyone is going to be open. So this is it. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!